Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Cristiano Ronaldo's official YouTube channel. Now, if you don't know, then let me tell you that recently Cristiano Ronaldo has made his new YouTube channel, and if you want to find it, then you need to tap on your YouTube application so that you could open it. After that, tap on the search bar in the top right hand corner of the screen, and here you need to search for Cristiano Ronaldo. Now once you search his name, you will be able to see the first YouTube channel with the name ur.cristiano. So this is basically the official channel of Cristiano Ronaldo. So you need to tap on it, and here you will be able to see the subscribe button. So you need to tap on subscribe, then tap on this top arrow button and make it all. So once you set the notification to all, you will get notified whenever Cristiano Ronaldo upload any new video. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel as well. Thank you so much for watching.